A quadratic graph has the equation y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, and the highest power of the variable x is 2. There are two types of quadratic graph. This is the first type, whereby the coefficient of x squared, a, is positive. A quadratic graph with a positive coefficient of x squared will have a shape that shows a parabola opening upwards. This resembles a smiley face. The graph will have a minimum point, which is the lowest point of the graph. Its line of symmetry will cut through the minimum point. The x-intercept refers to the points where graph cuts through the x-axis, which is shown here and here. For a quadratic graph, there may be 0, 1, or 2 points depending on the equation of the graph. The y-intercept is the point where the graph cuts through the y-axis, which is shown here. The second type of quadratic graph is when ax squared plus bx plus c has a shape that resembles a sad face. This happens when the coefficient of x squared, which is a, is negative. The graph will have a maximum point, which is the highest point of the graph, and its line of symmetry is a vertical line that cuts through the maximum point. Its x-intercept are points which the graph cuts through the x-axis, while the y-intercept are points where the graph cuts through the y-axis.